Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Netlink model and logging into the admin page to note firmware and settings. This saves time later. Once done, back up your Wi-Fi SSID, password, and any static IP or port forwarding rules so you can restore them. Next, perform a basic power cycle. Unplug the modem for 30 seconds, wait, then plug it back in. If the goal is a factory reset, keep these notes handy, because you will lose customized configurations when we proceed. You now perform the factory reset. Locate the recessed reset button on the Netlink modem and use a paperclip to press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Watch the LEDs for a blink or pattern change to confirm. After releasing, make sure to give the device ample time to boot fully, usually 5 to 10 minutes, so the firmware reinitializes and the modem reestablishes carrier sync. Once the lights stabilize, you can re-enter the admin page to start restoring settings. You finish by securing the modem. Set a new admin password and recreate or restore the Wi-Fi SSID and passphrase. Next, input any ISP credentials like PPPoE or reapply static IPs and port rules from your backup. This ensures services resume correctly. Then verify connectivity across LAN and wireless devices and run a speed check to confirm upstream and downstream values match expectations. If devices fail to connect, try replace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.